Good morning everyone, or afternoon depending where you're tuning in from. Today we are installing our cargo door. It is going on the back side of our shower. I know you guys haven't seen the shower build yet, but I will have a short video on it soon. Make sure to keep watching and see how I install this door. Okay, we're kind of in a tight spot here because the trailer is against the fence. But what I've done is I've traced it out and I've leveled the trailer and then leveled the door to make sure that it was nice and plumb. On the inside, I cut some of the wood away to give me a rough idea. And then on the outside, I'm just gonna do a rough cut in the middle. So you can see I cut my rough hole. You can see I put the tape a little high. That's okay. The jigsaw does a pretty smooth cut around, so I'm not too worried about having tape, and then I'll just file the edge. So what I'm going to do is use a saw that only cuts through the aluminum and doesn't cut through the wood behind, just because I've got a 14-inch door and the metal framing is here, and so I don't want to try and cut through that on my first go. Okay, so we got the outside cut out. Now we can cut out the foam and the wood, and then we will I'll show you how I'm going to modify the frame, just because I want to keep the frame, but I can't keep all of the frame, so we're gonna make some adjustments, and I'll show you how I do it. Okay, now we're just going to drill some holes in the top and bottom, and those are just going to hold it in place, and then after we're done mounting that in the trailer, we'll open the door and we'll drill into the metal frame from the sides. Right now we're just putting on the seal. I can't remember what this stuff is called, but I will put a link in the comments below for you guys to find it, as well as a link for the door, which I also got off Amazon. Just with shipping and prices to get doors from anyone else in Canada, it was just best to go through Amazon. I didn't have to pay any of the border fees or anything like that, and the overall price of the door was much cheaper. Okay, so we have our door mounted. It doesn't come with mounting holes around the outside. I did one in the top and bottom just to hold it in place, and then we actually open the door and put 3 down each side. You just got to be careful not to torque the door out of shape, otherwise it doesn't close properly. But yeah, there you go. There's the finished product. I'm going to give this putty a day to kind of set. It's a warm day, so it'll squish down a little bit more, and then I'll come back tomorrow and I'll silicone all the outside with some outdoor silicone. But there you go, all done. There it is, open. You can see my screws. I did 2 on this side, so they're not in the way of the hinge. I did 3 on that side. 14-inch by 30. Worked out really well. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Make sure to like and subscribe, and if you're looking for any of the products I used in today's video, make sure to check the description below. Otherwise, I'll catch you on the next one.